Hello, I would like to welcome you all to the video demonstration of live traffic dashboard. First of all, I would like to walk you through the layout of the dashboard. These are the three panels which shows the traffic issues, weak slowest road and action statistics respectively. Any of these three panels can be enlarged and brought to the main view by clicking on these options in the sidebar, just like this. On the right hand side, we have two other panels. Uh, the first panel brings the live Twitter feed from Trafline Kolkata after removing the noise, that is the irrelevant posts that are there on that page. The second panel brings the live Facebook feed and categorizes them into one of these classes like road congestion, transportation refusal, and there are many other classes like these, which we'll see later. On the navigation bar on the top, we have two options on the right. One is to change the city. Currently, you are viewing the information about Kolkata, but you can change these cities to Bangalore, Chennai, or Delhi. Likewise, you can compare these data between between these four cities using this compare cities link. On the top left, we have this hamburger icon that can be used to hide the sidebar and create more room for these charts in lower resolution desktops. Now I will walk you through all the features in detail one by one. The first feature that we have is traffic issues. The traffic issues are picked up from Facebook feed and classified using data analysis techniques that I have discussed in my paper. The data is represented in a donut chart. When we mouse over a particular category of issues, we can view these sub issues within that category and the total number of issues that were reported in Facebook since Jan 1 2014. For example, when I click on transportation issues, I find that there are 1110 transportation issues that were reported in Facebook after Jan 1 2014, out of which 714 are of type transportation refusal, 222 are of type authority issue, and 148 are of type traffic rule violation. Likewise, I can click on somewhere else and I find that there were 1215 road issues, out of which 1134 were of type road congestion and 81 were of type road closure. When I click on any of these issues, I can find I will be redirected to a new page which will show all the posts from which I am deriving these numbers. So all these posts that you are seeing are for road congestion because I clicked on road congestion. But you can click on any of these links in the sidebar and view the post that comes under these classes. On the right hand side top, you have this back button which will take you back to the home screen. The next feature that we have is weak slowest road. Clicking on weak slowest road in the sidebar bring the bar chart depicting traffic congestion in the main view. The bar chart plots issues reported versus various routes. Like we can see on the x-axis we have different routes, and on the y-axis we have how many issues were reported in this week. For example, for Prince Anwar Shah Road, we have 9 issues of slow traffic that were reported in Twitter this week. Similar to uh, one more thing I forgot to mention, that these data is being derived from live Twitter feed for the week, which we can see in the right, like slow moving traffic, traffic congestion, heavy traffic, like this. Similar to traffic issues, if we click on any of these routes, let's say I click on Bagh Bazaar, we can view the Twitter feed that were used to derive the data for plotting week's slowest road. These are the issues for slow traffic reported in Bagh Bazaar Road. Like you can see, all of the issues are for slow traffic in Bagh Bazaar Street. We have 6 such issues, and in the original home screen also we had 6 issues that were reported. Now let's go to our next feature, that is accident statistics. Clicking on accident statistics bring the yearly accident statistics for Kolkata in the main view. The data is being derived from data.gov.in. Total and total accidents, fatal accidents, number of people killed in these accidents, number of people injured in those accidents are plotted against year. The data from year 2008 and 2013 has been used for this purpose, as the data for 2014 hasn't been released yet. We can view the individual number by hovering the mouse pointer over the line chart. Let's say if I hover my mouse pointer to 2012, I can see that there were 3937 total accidents, out of which 471 were fatal accidents, in which around 498 people were killed and 3216 people were injured. The next option in the sidebar is kudos. It lists the appreciation and accolades from the commoners on official Kolkata Traffic Police page for maintaining a page and informing the public about the traffic issues in advance. So you can see all the posts are applauding the Kolkata Traffic Police for their work. We can use this back button again to go back to the home page. So this was the complete information about the city Kolkata. In a similar fashion, we can view the traffic issues in other cities as well. We can also compare the traffic issues among different cities by comparing the compare cities button. Here we are displaying the number of cases reported for the issues which were common across these cities. As we see, there were 1296 cases of road congestion that were reported in Delhi, 1134 cases were reported in Kolkata, 976 in Chennai, and 1654 in Bangalore. Likewise, the citywide data is compared for transportation refusal, authority issue, and traffic rule violation. In a similar fashion, we can also compare the accident statistics across these 4 cities. We can compare the total accident that occur in these 4 cities over the span of 5 years, 2008 to 2013. Color coding is used to easily differentiate between these cities in the line chart. So likewise, we can also compare fatal accidents, total people killed in these accidents, total people injured in these accidents in these 4 cities from 2008 to 2013. So this live traffic dashboard auto refreshes every 5 minutes and thus can enable real-time traffic analysis for both traffic police and the commuters. So now I would like to conclude this demonstration. Thank you for patiently watching the video.